This is how you can install most of Artika's LED mirrors. Always refer to the instruction manual for all the steps. As a general contractor, I love projects that deliver a big upgrade without a long install process. The Mateo LED mirror and the Radia LED Cosmetic mirror are a perfect example of that. With just a few quick anchors and an electrical connection, you'll be good to go. Before you start, make sure to turn off the breaker before doing any electrical work. I've already marked where I want the bottom of the mirror to rest. Using a level, make sure that the spacing and holes are level. Now, drill the holes for the anchors. Carefully press in your anchors. Now, insert the provided screws into the anchors using a screwdriver. Using the provided wire caps, connect the mirror wires to the electrical box wires. Once caps are secure, tuck the wires back into the electrical box. Mount the mirror onto the screws. I've already marked where I want the mirror on the wall. First, unscrew the set screw with the hex key provided. Next, remove the mounting plate from the mirror. Hold the mounting plate where the mirror will be installed. It is recommended to install the mirror near an electrical outlet. Now, mark your holes. Drill 4 holes using a 5/32 inch drill bit in the locations you marked. Carefully insert your wall anchors into the drilled holes. Next, press the mounting plate onto the wall. Start your screws into your anchors and use a level on the guideline of the mounting plate to make sure the plate is straight. Screw the mounting screws into the wall anchors to secure the mounting plate. Install the mirror on its mounting plate by first inserting the 2 connectors in their receptacles. Make sure the mirror is sitting well against the surface. Screw in the set screw previously removed to complete the installation and secure your mirror in place. To charge the mirror, remove the cap and connect the mirror with the USB cable and adapter to a standard power outlet. The small light circle around the touch button will blink and change to red to indicate that the battery is low. Once charged, the light circle will be green. And now you're set and your mirrors are ready to use. And that's it. Your Mateo LED mirror and Radia Cosmetic mirror are now wired, installed, and ready to elevate your space.